The University of Toronto Scarborough is pleased to announce the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding for the Environmental and Related Technologies Hub, or EaRTH. This initiative is the result of very collaborative and productive engagement with our academic partners in the Eastern GTA, Centennial College, Durham College, Ontario Tech, and Trent University. Sustainable technologies need to be an essential element in our toolbox if we are to innovatively redress the damaging impact of current activities on our shared environment and to reverse the devastating consequences of climate change. The University of Toronto Scarborough is more than well positioned to assist in this effort by being an active leader with our partners in this transformation and facilitating access to the benefits of sustainable technologies. The EaRTH District includes the development of Canada's first net zero vertical farm and living lab that would apply innovative technologies to expand food production in an urban setting and become a key resource in assisting communities around Canada and across the globe to tackle issues related to water, food, air, energy, and waste. We and our academic partners are committed to providing cross-sector, socially conscious research and comprehensive education to advance innovative, inclusive, technology-driven solutions that will support sustainable, resilient, and thriving communities locally, nationally, and globally. The EaRTH District is set to have tremendous impact, environmentally, of course, but also economically and socially through research in advanced design and integrative systems that yield real-life benefits. If you would like to find out more about this initiative, we encourage you to visit our website at earthdistrict.ca.